Hello guys! Today is the birthday of Chacha. Siya po ay first cousin ni Jason na our CEO. Yun. So, pinuntahan po namin dito. Wala po itong plano or anything. Ito po ay unexpected. So, dadalhin po namin sila. Instead na dyan po kami kakain, dadalhin na lang po namin sila sa magandang lugar na magi-enjoy sila ng mother niya. So, alamin nyo na lang kung saan namin sila dadalhin. Look at their plants. So, ang healthy Yan, ang ganda tingnan. I love this. Ano guys, may idea ba kayo kung saan namin sila dadalhin? Nako, tingnan nga natin kung alam nyo. So, andito na po kami. So, bago po kami pupunta sa paruroonan namin, nagutom po kami. So, kumain muna kami ng aming baon. Oh, see? Oh, 'di ba? Sexy. Oh, ha?
Happy birthday, Chacha!
Yung birthday celebrate.
Short sa loob. Pagbalik, eto ulit. Tapos etong jacket na lang ang susuotin ko. Wala lang ako.
Guys, itong birthday celebrant, wala kalam-alam na dito pala namin dalhin sa Secret Falls. So, wala silang gamit pampaligo, kaya they're going to buy that one. Ito yung mga guest. Yun, pauwi na sila. Samantalang kami, papunta pa lang. Kasi dumating kami at around 4 o'clock. At least, kunti na lang yung mga turista. So, ayun. Mas maganda, mas konti para iwas sa COVID. Anyway, wala naman kayong pangamba kasi dito sa DRT, free COVID po dito. Tingnan nyo guys ang river, o diba? Napaka-clear ang water. Malinis. Yan guys, yan yung yung pool nila na galing din ng bukal. Ito po, pwede din to sa mga bata, nilagyan nila ng chlorine.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get
Diba? Tingnan nyo, nag-enjoy sila. Pero actually, malamig siya. Pero pag nag-start ka ng lumangoy at ano mo na yung katawan mo sa water, hindi na siya malamig.
Yan ang birthday girl! Sana po. Yeah, swimming dyan, swimming! Wow! Oh my God! Oh, swim!
Arthur Unit, Marshall Summit, Liddy Titty, politician.
Nakakalala. Oh, diba? Masaya ba yung birthday celebration?
Crazy man, like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, now we got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Some are lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you.